Seeking information about arthritis? Check out the tips below. Arthritis comes in many different forms. Learning how to deal with your particular type of arthritis is very important to being able to avoid flare-ups and the pain that comes along with them. Read on to learn some tips and tricks for prevention and management of your arthritis symptoms. Rearrange the furniture in your home. You want to be able to walk a straight line from one room to another. The fewer turns you have to make, the less stress you will place on your weight-bearing joints, especially your hips. You should enlist the help of a friend to move your furniture, of course. If you want to minimize the pain of arthritis, avoid being overweight. Having just a few extra pounds on your body adds strain to joints and ligaments. It can increase the pain of arthritis, and keep your symptoms coming back again and again. Losing just 10 pounds can make a big difference, so do it today. People with arthritis are dealing with both chronic pain and chronic fatigue. Set priorities for your day and stick to them. There will only be so much you can accomplish on a bad day. Figure out what's most important and focus on getting that done, instead of trying to fight the pain and fatigue and do everything anyway. Though it can be uncomfortable, exercising your joints consistently is an important part of managing your arthritis. Joints which are not regularly exercised grow fatigued, which makes arthritis more severe. You should do flexibility exercises so that you can increase the range in which you can move. Aquatic activities and water aerobics are ideal exercises for arthritis sufferers. These activities are great for stretching your muscles and joints as well as being soothing for your joints. Sit back, relax, close your eyes and breathe deeply for a while. This can help you to forget your pain for a moment, and get your brain back to processing happy thoughts. Handicap parking is available to those arthritis sufferers that drive. A lot of arthritis sufferers don't realize they can park in the handicapped section. They use the regular spaces. Handicapped includes those in chronic pain. There are over 100 different types of arthritis, all of which have items to focus on particular to that specific type. Talk to your doctor and other arthritis sufferers to learn more about dealing with your condition. Take these tips to start with and set yourself on a path to healing. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.